Your CBS 46 forecast with Chief Meteorologist Markina Brown.
Yeah, some super severe weather for those folks up to the north and west, but we are seeing just isolated showers and storms during our afternoon hours. Again, the folks in the plains, well, it's a different story. But let's roll the clock. Futurecast showing us what we should expect as we head toward tomorrow. Just like today, more isolated showers and storms, but 99% of us were completely dry today, and I think maybe we could see a little more as we head toward tomorrow, but really even more so by the later part of the week. Looking at what happens here as we go through the afternoon, again, just a few isolated showers and storms, and they'll diminish as we head toward your sunset hours. Our satellite radar composite showing a mainly clear sky right now in lots of places. It is a gorgeous night and it's warm. Temperatures outside, well, you check them out, are in the 70s, and then you've got still the humidity to kind of factor in there as well. So we've got 72 degrees in Gainesville, 72 in Carrollton, 75 right now in Atlanta, and the folks in Covington are at 74 degrees. So tonight, the lows will be on the mild side. 68 degrees is what we'll do under a partly cloudy to mainly clear sky, and hour by hour headed toward tomorrow morning. Look at how the temperatures climb. We're going to go from upper 60s to lower 70s by 7 a.m. and by the afternoon, those temperatures will already be in the low to mid 80s. So let's talk more about what we do for highs tomorrow. Keep in mind that the average high is 84 degrees. We'll do 88 in Gainesville, 91 in Athens, 90s for the folks in Eatonton and Covington. And off to the west, we're looking at 86 for the folks in Carroll County and 90 for the folks in Floyd County. So the 7-day forecast is very simple, very consistent. We are going to get hotter, stay that way, and also include a chance for showers and storms just about each and every afternoon. As you can see, we're looking at a 40% chance. Yes, this is definitely a fall day, even though it officially doesn't start until Sunday, if you could believe it. Yeah, fall starts this Sunday. We are definitely seeing it and feeling it today. Live over Marietta, you see nothing but clouds, and the temperatures are definitely cooler. 73 is where we are right now in LJ. Remember, this time yesterday we had numbers in the mid to upper 80s. We're at 74 right now in Gainesville, 75 in Athens and Eatonton. The current temperature is in the low 80s, but if you go to Carrollton, you're looking at numbers in the mid 70s. So this evening, that's where we'll be in the Atlanta metro area, right around 75 degrees. We'll keep it cloudy and somewhat cooler, but it will be dry. The reason, by the way, we are dealing with the cooler air is because we have an area of high pressure well to the north of us, north and east, and with that clockwise flow around that high, we're getting into a east-northeast wind, and that means cooler air. So even tomorrow, that will be the story. 79 degrees is what we're looking at. Pretty much the same kind of day we're seeing today. We'll see tomorrow, and we'll also keep the clouds around and some slightly gusty winds. Taking a look at what we're going to do as we talk about some highs for tomorrow. Again, we're looking at 77 in Athens. We're already looking at, of course, as you know, upper 70s in Atlanta. We're doing 81, though, in Griffin, 74 in far north Georgia, and parts of Carrollton and Rome. We'll see those highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. So taking a look at the 7-day forecast again, we are going to keep fall in place at least for the next several days. Tomorrow, again, another mainly cloudy one. Some of you could see a partly cloudy sky, but the main point is that we're going to see lows in the 60s and highs in the upper 70s. So that's pretty much an average day for us. As we get into Thursday, we're looking partly cloudy and warmer with highs around 82. We're up to 85 as we get into Friday before a front comes through. And look at what happens. Not only will it give us a pretty good chance of showers and storms on Saturday and Sunday, but it'll knock those temperatures down into the upper 70s again for the weekend, and then we'll start out the work week slowly but surely climbing temperature-wise. So as we talk about the weekend forecast here and rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, of course, with all the rain around, temperatures slightly below normal. I think I'll be somewhat optimistic and give Saturday a 6, and since Sunday should be slightly drier, I will give it a 7. All right, ladies, here we go.
Okay.
Threw a little cliffhanger in there.
You did.
Trying to throw us off the scent, right?
Did we decide on Aqua?
I think we're going to go with our Twitter friend, Eric, who's usually been right most of the time.
We're going to go with D.
Really?
Yeah,
Not A and D?
No. We think you just threw that in there to throw us off.
Yes.
So. Okay. You're right.
All right, Ackworth, here is a look at your personalized forecast as we talk about tomorrow. Again, expect the clouds and the temperatures in the 70s, but for the most part, it will be another dry fall-like day. If you'd like your city to get
there, good evening. We are definitely looking good. We are starting to clear. You're getting some sunshine before the sun sets, and some of those temperatures are even rising. Just the start of what we're going to see as we head toward the coming days. And as you look live at the city of Morganton in extreme North Georgia, how about a partly cloudy sky? A little breezy there, but still really nice. The folks in Roswell are starting to see some clearing too. And again, that's all because of high pressure. We're going to be talking about this area of high pressure all week long because it is only going to continue to give us more sunshine and thus warmer temperatures. Indicator right now, the current temperature is 70 degrees and it feels like 70 with the winds lightly coming your way out of the east. Taking a live look at the city, you see fewer and fewer clouds here. Look at that. Only just 1, 2, 3, 4, not a whole lot of clouds going on over downtown Atlanta right now. That again is because the drier air is starting to filter in. It is going to stick and stay with us really all week long. So more numbers. We go to Athens for 71. We've got 69 in Covington, 80s for the folks down in Troup County. Up in Ellijay, you're at 69. And in Canton, the current temperature is in the low 70s. When you compare where we are right now temperature-wise to 24 hours ago, I'm sure you remember yesterday. It was cloudy, it was wet, kind of felt a lot like fall. And we're up big time from yesterday. Gainesville, you are 11 degrees warmer, and the folks in Atlanta are warmer by 11 degrees as well. So tonight into your early morning hours, we're going to get into the upper 50s under a partly cloudy sky. Hour by hour, though, you can see got a nice rise in temperatures on the way as we get into tomorrow morning. Even by 11 o'clock, we're going to be looking at low 70s, and by 3, we're looking at upper 70s, so we're going to top out in the low 80s tomorrow for highs. Again, much warmer than today. Keeping that sunshine around, and it only gets hotter from there. Take a look at what we do after a day of pop-up showers and storms. We are finally getting a break, at least in the Atlanta metro area. But if you go down to the south in Meriwether, Pike, Lamar, maybe even Upson counties, they are still seeing some rain. It was some storm activity earlier, but now things are starting to kind of fade out. Taking a look at the satellite radar composite, all of the activity off to the north and west is fading out as well now that we have lost our daytime heating. But one thing for sure is that tomorrow, as we head toward the afternoon, we are going to see more of the same. In fact, Futurecast is verifying that here as we roll the clock. You can see that by noon, here we go. Showers and storms start to pop up again with the help of the daytime heating and also the humidity. Anybody and everybody is going to be fair game for what we see tomorrow. Just like today, the folks in Canton could see some shower and storm activity as late as 10 o'clock. But usually as we head toward those later hours, we will be dealing with more rain than storm activity, if anything at all. And then, of course, as we get into Sunday, we'll do it all over again. Taking a live look at the city, we are dry and a little sticky. Temperatures are in the low 70s in Atlanta. We've got upper 60 in Athens, and the folks in Lawrenceville are in the low 70s. You go to Conyers, you got 70 degrees. You got 69 at Marietta, 68 at Douglasville, and the folks up in Canton are looking at numbers in the upper 60s. Big difference from earlier today, right? So lows tonight will not get much colder than they are right now. We're looking at 69 degrees, so not bad. Storms will stay south, maybe even some rain, but other than that, we're going to keep it dry. Other lows tonight, upper 60s in places like Gainesville, doing 66 in Covington. The folks up in Ellijay will see lows right around 65 degrees, and Canton will see numbers in the upper 60s. So as we talk about the highs tomorrow, keep in mind that we are going to have the clouds, the showers, the storms, the humidity, and our activity right now on live storm tracker radar. So let's take you there here. First, Greene County, that severe thunderstorm warning is over, but we are still seeing some pretty heavy rain that is moving to the southeast of that area. And as we go a little bit further to the west, you can see Putnam County, Eatonton. There is no severe weather for you now, but you are seeing frequent cloud to ground lightning and also some heavy rain. You go a little bit to the south and east of there, the folks in Meta and also Flat Rock are experiencing light to moderate rainfall. So that is the situation on live storm tracker radar right now. In terms of temperatures, well, it depends on where you are. If you are in North Georgia, you're looking at low 80s like the folks in Ellijay. Atlanta looking at 90 degrees. The folks in Gainesville are at 86, while if you are in Athens, you're at 87 degrees. So Here's what you need to watch out for. Big time changes here. The reason we are seeing the showers and storms right now is because of this. It's a cold front that is now slowly but surely moving down to the south. That's why we are seeing the majority of the shower and storm activity well to the south and east of the Atlanta metro area. It will quickly get replaced by an area of high pressure, and high pressure will dry our air out, so we will see less humidity. That'll mean lots of sunshine and temperatures that will start to warm. So here is what you need to know tonight. Just a few isolated showers and storms will be around. Tomorrow, because of that high pressure, look out for plenty of sunshine, and then on Thursday, we'll look out for more sunshine and less humidity. But what happens as we get toward the end of the week and into the weekend? Should you prepare for more showers and storms?